Hi class. So when you create your website, you're going to use Wix because they will save and store your content even with the trial. So it's really important that you do that. And most of the class assignments at this time have been designed with this in mind. All right. So you want to create a new site, and then you're going to think about what template that you need or want. Um, let's look at this just because it's easy. If you choose an ADI, there is one for a designer, but I don't believe there's one for photographers. You will be very limited if you choose this. It will lock you in, and you won't be able to go back and forth to an editor. You'll probably feel most comfortable with the editor, even though if you were just creating something quickly and rapidly for someone, maybe they just need a one-night mobile site or something for a gig or to sell tickets or something like that, then maybe you could look at an ADI, which stands for Artificial Design Intelligence. But for you, I think you're going to want to choose one of these particular templates, and there's so many to choose from. All right, so let's say we're looking at this one. We're going to go into Edit, give it time to load. And what I want to show you right now is how to create a style guide from what template you choose. All right, so you can watch that video if you need to. Wix does have question marks everywhere that will give you plenty of answers to your questions. You just need to type in what you want to know. And in some cases, there are videos if you scroll down to the FAQ after you've selected a question mark in one of your menus. So here's your theme manager. This is telling us what colors we're working with. And so that's a really cool thing for you because all you have to do is select this color preview, and this is your hexadecimal for that. So you have this, and now you just need to add your hexadecimals for these colors. If you, the reason I really recommend always using a palette, because if you do make a change, it's going to be in the same family, and you know it's going to work together, and they've already done that work for you. So I strongly recommend, no matter how great a designer is, that they use pre-existing canvases when they're there, the color palettes. All right. So this is where you would get that, and then here you find your text, and you've got your header, which is 22 points. Your heading 2, they have it 28. Usually heading 1 is bigger than heading 2. And then your paragraph text is at 20. They have 40 points for 6. Traditionally, your heading 1 is the larger, and it goes down to smaller when it gets to 6. Okay, so just something to think about. So that's how you would get some of your important information for your style guide. Okay, all right, keep it simple.